The world wants to know the difference between lungi and mundu. Everybody is ready.
Except the video.
Except the main guy.
I'm saving my energy.
Oh. Whoa.
Cat guy.
Cat guy. Mia. Dami ungur.
Okay.
Ungur. Okay. I get copyright over if I say. Okay.
I flip from here.
Esther, what you are running behind?
God.
Don't disturb him. Oh my God! Without energy, once will do. You run.
Space to be fire.
We'll come one step front.
Actually, yeah, that would help. That's
Yeah.
right. Correct.
Good, no?
Yeah.
Director Saab. Kill it.
I'll get your chair and all.
Yeah. Remo D'Souza, ABCD4, please remember. First I have to become actor, then director.
जिस राह पे तुम चल रहे हो बेटा, एक दिन बुरी तरह फंसोगे।
Let's go.
I'll tell you something.
Yeah.
Your window has come up here.
It's come out for what?
Supposed to be there. For English safety to go.
I didn't know they made these things in pockets. Pretty cool.
Guys, if you want to go viral, wear a lungi and let the lungi fall down. My lungi fell when I was dancing.
Cheap
Caption.
tactics. Cheap tactics, guys. Cheap tactics.
Which I'm not doing.
God knows.
Rajunu, sir.
Ram Raj.
So it is too big to go into.
Ramraj, sponsor my next video.
Please.
Stretch. She told stretch.
No, see if it's okay for you.
Okay.
Do this.
Oh.
That is a
that.
Better?
Done. She told stretch. She didn't tell where to stretch. No, even if I do that, this lungi my tailor has done it loose.
If it is tight, you can't move. If it is loose, you can't. Your stomach is coming out.
Yeah, I made the lungi loose. Looks like I've got one 3-month-old baby in my tummy.
Just him validating so that the viewers can watch. And
no.
It's not tummy, guys. He's
There
got
is
a 6-pack.
8 packs are there.
8-pack. So turn to family pack.
Huh? Family pack. You wish. Okay. The world wants to know the difference between lungi and mundu.
Lungi is something like, oh shit, I don't know how to explain, but mundu is this. It's the traditional mundu. Lungi is what our dad and uncles wear, no?
Granddads.
Granddads.
Great granddads.
The dark colored, thick pattern one. That's lungi. This guy keeps on telling lungi. Have you seen the video lungi dance?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is
That's
lungi.
what the actors.
Now I'm wearing mundu, guys.
Mallu mundu.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I want to do. Dude, I'm tell what you want to tell.
In the meantime, I'll do my intro shoot now. I'll be all sweaty, sweating. This guy is not letting me. He let me do
That I have to.
towards the end.
Yeah, because I have to
Change the
lens
lens.
for the gimbal. I'll be doing that hand. It's a different
Okay, it
setting,
makes
so
sense.
done.
That makes sense.
I was thinking either
That
first
makes
or
sense. Lala baby.
Blow. Left side is equal to right side. Hence proven.
No more practice, Nikki.
Excuse me? Shoot is not yet done. Yo guys.
God, his fingers. See?
That you know what?
Chunky gold on top of that.
I
On
gave
top
my
of that,
hand
there's
like
a
that and
chunky
Fran, she
gold
bit
ring.
it. Hi.
I'm gonna get married in 2 years. I
I'm
know.
going to tell you, old man, she bit my hand. What to do?
Rumors, guys. I have a life tomorrow.
Then what to do? She's only a doctor. I told you only operate my hand.
This is true. This happened.
This is origin. No, what they say? True story. Oh,
This is Shriyari speaking. This is all true.
in memory of
Where is
Shriyari.
Srihari, by the way? He's in Padupatri.
He's supposed to be in Padupatri.
Did he go today? I don't know.
Tell me to send his live location.
Yeah, where is Srihari? Tag mention Srihari.
He's probably still sleeping.
If he
Hasn't
sends
seen
a
my
live
message.
location, no, I know he's here in his house. He just wanted to sleep. Come, let's go. Let's go. I'm ready.
Nikki!
Where did you guys study? Then,
Yenapoya.
yeah, I went there to
Yeah.
shoot this batch graduation. To shoot there.
So we had a debate.
We were there.
It's okay.
I was there.
You're
But there are numerous layers of clothing inside that skirt.
Even I have many layers.
I have 6 layers inside this.
I have 2 layers.
I have 6 layers.
Who changes their contacts?
I changed it. Mine was Nikki Shriyari dancer, but from then I've changed it to Nikki. I've given you a nice picture and all.
Emoji. So bad.
No, real nice picture I've given.
Oh, that's true friendship.
Oh my god!
That's true friendship.
When is that and what am I doing? that's not me.
Jeet Srihari dance.
Not me.
Today you're changing.
Today I'm
Today
changing.
you're changing his contact and
My name also.
He
It's
told
like
he
Aruna,
told don't capture my butt.
video
I'll pick a
creator.
picture of butt only and say.
Not only Shriyari Cam, you've taught me dance for like 2 months.
Today
Oh.
we're changing.
Getting very personal.
Yeah.
बंदा अभी तो personal हो रहा है.
Dancer. That hurts.
पापा जी.
Okay, let's do this.
Sharing
Not sure what's,
is caring.
but I think
Sharing
Sorry.
is caring.
Rejected.
Sharing is caring.
Bhag. Ring.
No, I don't want you. Put your mouth.
That was so good.
You were supposed to bring one more energy drink.
Dude, I bought it yesterday.
Yeah,
She
Instamart.
bought it yesterday. She didn't bring it here. Now she like, oh, I didn't bring. Let me start acting.
You want mango?
Yeah. Oh no!
Cut for you.
Cut for you.
Too much flirting.
Delete the previous clips.
Now she'll come for your dance class. Jeet, listen, Nikki's way of getting more entries for
This is
dance
heaty or
class. Flirting with all the people.
I didn't flirt with G.
Females, not Jeet. There's a guy.
that wasn't flirting.
I flirted with you also. What the hell? Yeah, solid. Eat, wait.
No, he wants to record it.
Mango. How is it? From her mother's farm. Shout out to Mrs. Subi.
I don't like mango.
Okay. He's on a sugar cutter, what?
So he doesn't like mango.
Dude, don't tell me you hate mango. I hate you.
Don't hate
I
mango,
love
just think-
mangoes.
I don't hate mango. I just think mango.
I don't like mangoes. I don't hate.
Mango?
Huh? Yeah, duh. She's asking you want mango and she's only eating.
Feed him love.
Today's the day of chemistry.
Feed.
She was not. Everything is so perfect. The dance is so perfect, except you don't love him on screen. No chemistry at all. He's looking at you, and you are looking down. So like on the day of shoot,
Please love him.
I'll love him for like 3 घंटे के लिए, 3 hours.
3 घंटे is a win, no?
What do you feel? Did I?
Boys will be boys.
Dance actually. You're shy to come in front of camera. Eat now.
He's not shy at all.
Why?
He's a thug.
Why?
Hey, kids are watching. Don't use the F word.
And 4,000 rupees. Do this chum. Chum.
That's it.
Yeah.
Like this. Only one take we have.
Imagine my face.
Oh, if I imagine your face, it's gone. Lens will get destroyed. I do it. There you go.
She's like, I'll only have to pick it up.
One take we have, Ji.
This is the print.
You lock it. Yeah, lock. Lock कर दो जी. एक करोड़.
It's
कौन
just like
बनेगा?
0.5 seconds.
7 करोड़. 7 करोड़. अमिताभ बच्चन. 7 करोड़. 7 करोड़. Okay.
Big smile the whole time, okay?
Okay.
Not like that.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Action. 3, 2, 1. Guys,
Stand here, now we'll be shaking.
it's backup time. I'm done with the shoot. They're still not done. Looks like they're also done. What about you, mister? It's not on mute, he's just not talking, okay?
Bye. Like, share, subscribe. Watch our reel, please.
Oh yeah. Tell them to watch our reel.
Everybody should watch Pavaramalli by Nikki and Chippy. This guy. No.
This guy made us look pretty.
Is that my phone?
Is
Yes,
this his
shout
phone?
out to Jeet.
No, it's not your phone.
Shout out to Jeet. Yeah.
Hi, Mom.
You're my pumpkin. You're my honey bunny. You're my dumpling. Hello, honey bunny.
Are you alive?
Are papa. Oh, my hand is hurting too. For real, pack up. Go. Hey guys, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can click right here for more. Come back. Hey guys, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can click right here to check out the latest video, and you can click right here to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more info. Stay updated. Whee!